Okay, I guess I'm back. I hope that the first 17 minutes of my video didn't cut off. It was doing a good job. At least I think so. I'm gonna have to ask somebody. I wonder how you get those backgrounds that they be having. Like the ones that B-Love uses. They be so nice and scenic and just really lovely. Mm. Yeah. That's what he wanted. Oh my gosh. What is that? So, it was juice in this bag, and apparently when I got up, it spilled.
I'll take it back.
I don't know. Shout out to B-Love. Because that lady, as little as she is, can put away some food. And I am already full. So, okay. I need some water. Excuse me. Oh. Okay. Stuff is falling out. It's fat. Well. Huh? So, I noticed that. You know who else is mukbang I like to watch? The Asian girl. Her name is Stephanie. I like her. I do. I like her a lot. I did another one of these the other day, but I can't upload it. I keep trying, but it's not letting me. I used to watch all the mukbangers try to cut through the king crab. I used to just look at him like, oh my God, stop playing with those scissors and just cut, cut, cut. No, it's a lot more difficult than you think. A lot more difficult than you think. I just cut down 2 sides so that I could just do that. So I don't have to struggle trying to pry it open. So, let me, the fat is coming off, yes. Like 20 falls off. Because it's really disgusting. It's not appetizing at all. And I'm going to tell y'all something else too. Give me 1 second. Take a bite. Okay. Ready? Can y'all see how big this is? Look how big it is compared to my hand. This is the tip of my finger. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see it? Want some? Mm. I want to tear it open and then just use it all in the sauce. Get it all saucy, you know. Voila. So succulent. Oh my, so much meat. But anywho, B-Love, hats off to you, sister. I don't see how you eat all this food with your little teeny self. Food's so good. My little greedy ass just have to have this piece. It's like my favorite part. It's so chewy, which I'm not really able to chew so good anymore since getting braces, but so I'm gonna tell y'all, the fat just inside of the king crab reminds me so much of the tail part of the claw of lobster. Y'all know what I'm talking about. When you pull the claw out, that little skinny piece. I don't like that piece when I eat lobster. I honestly don't like it. I don't like the texture of it. It's a little bit salty, slimy. The fat in king crab, very, very similar. Okay. So braces. I went to the dentist, the orthodontist yesterday. I don't feel like my gums are as healthy since getting them, but she said they're fine. But I got a pink power chain at the top, and I absolutely hate it. I will stick with turquoise. Turquoise is the color that I like. It looks nice. Never again. No other color but turquoise. Now, I don't have to get a power chain at the bottom. See? I don't have one down there. Because these are straight already. And the power chain is for closing up spaces. I never had these spaces at the bottom. Not all the way true. I had a space in between the two.